In this video, I wanted to show how to do a basic correlation. Now I'm doing this on a Mac in Excel, so you may have a little bit of a different look, but the same principles if you were doing this in a Windows environment. The first things first is there are a lot of variables here. Most of those we don't care about. I'll provide a link in the comments of where I got this data set if you would like to practice. The variables that I do care about are height and weight. As we know, typically the taller you are, the more that you weigh. So we're going to see if we can find that correlation. Height in this case is in column E and it's measured in centimeters. Weight is in column F and it is measured in kilograms. It wouldn't matter if it was inches, pounds, etc. So we're going to go to Tools. We're going to go to Data Analysis. Now I want to do something very quickly here to show you a little bit of a thing that Excel does that's specific to Excel. Hit that correlation, hit OK. You'll notice in that input range it has to be contiguous items, if you will. So that means, in simple terms, E and F have to be together. So if height was, say, column D and weight was column G, you would really have to sort of move things together to make it work a little better, or really just work at all. So we're going to click this little teeny spreadsheet here next to the input range. We're going to go over here and we're going to select everything in columns E and F. Whoops. And we're going to start with E1 all the way down to F300, which is actually row 201. So you can see that there these participant people have numbers and they start with 100, which is why it's 201 rows, but it goes down to 300 there on column A. Hit enter. We do have the labels in our first row. That is, we do have the words height and weight, etc. in that first row, so hit labels. On the bottom here, you can pick how you want it set up. Do you want it to be in a new workbook, a new worksheet ply, etc.? I'm a fan of a new worksheet ply. Hit OK. Now this is very tiny, so we're going to make this a little bigger. So there you can see that there's a 0.5158 if I round correlation. I like to auto fit these, so there you go. These are a little bit big, so I'm going to make these a little smaller. I'm going to auto fit these columns. So there you go. There's a 0.5158 correlation between the height of someone and their weight, which is positive. And one of the reasons, besides the way that variables are set up, we like more beefy programs like SPSS or other statistical programs, is this also does not tell you if it is significant. Now the correlation is what it is. Just wanted to show you quickly how to get a correlation, interpretation, etc. will come in other videos.